Okay, hi everybody on YouTube. Just got my camera back from the little gnomes at Canon had to fix my camera. It's very sad when a photographer's camera dies. But anyway, we're back, and the whole front of the car is taken apart already. And you know, I never claimed to be any type of car genius, but on the front with these calipers, can you zoom in here? Right there. I had to cut the little eyelet to kind of feed the brake line through it to get it out. Well, now that we're out here, yeah. This, on the front, you just remove this fitting and feed that through the eyelet on the suspension. But I tried the top, I tried the bottom, neither of them fit through that hole. So I gently, very delicately used my angle grinder. I'm planning on just welding another little bracket in. Feel free to comment. There. Okay. That's good.